Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So as you can see, recent FOMC statement mostly was treated as a bit dovish compared to what market expected, as Fed has given the hint that the inflation stands weaker than they would like to see it, and as a result, first the probability of the rate increasing has dropped in December due to the Fed Fund futures rate. Second, as you can see, reaction was mostly against the United States dollar across the board, not only the gold market but in the forex market as well. So at the same time, this upward action has led market to reach our predefined target. So we said that 1265 probably target should be reached before any retracement will happen. And we said that retracement that has started is very well-known feature of the gold market that usually shows such kind of the traps. So it starts to turn down before the target has been hit, and later it's turning up and punish the traders who had taken the short position too early. The major warning factor here, guys, is still SPDR fund statistics. So despite this rally that we see, it's really very significant action, so mostly $60 per contract. We do not see real inflow in the fund, so investors still have some doubts on the new bull trend on the gold market, and we even do not see stability. We see the outflow. So the fund storage has dropped even yesterday as well. So that, as I said, makes this overall rally very fragile and not very reliable. In a short-term perspective, guys, this market has hit the, as you can see, daily resistance 1261 and intraday 1265 target, and this was really significant action. Today, Thursday, guys, tomorrow will be Friday, so it seems that maybe investors will turn to some profit taking. That's why the moderate retracement could happen. Yesterday, although we have expected to get brand body trade, the market hasn't quite reached it for the $3, the 3.8 support. So here we haven't got it, or we do not have any close below the 3x3. So right now we do not need it anymore. Right now, market stands under resistance, and I think that we should be ready for some moderate retracement that could start even today, because major event already has happened. Market also has completed some destination points, so it's logical to expect some bounce. On the 4-hour time frame chart, besides the fib level that we see on the daily chart here, we also see that this is weekly pivot resistance once upper border of the channel. So maybe there will be additional resistance here that will push prices slightly lower. On the hourly chart, you could see the completion of our ABCD pattern that we have discussed. This 1265 target has been completed. Also, guys, you could see that 127 extension of the most recent retracement. So it's also here. Currently, you could recognize minor head and shoulders is forming here on the intraday charts. Probably you should drop the time frame even to the 15-minute chart to see it definitely, so it could become left shoulder again. Some minor patterns forming, so maybe some retracement indeed will happen. So if you have the bullish view on the gold market, that means that you probably should wait for some bounce down as market stands into resistance. If you have the would like traded bearish, you could wait for some bearish reversal patterns here that will let you take the position. So that's our view on the gold market in the short term, but in the longer term, this is still question stands open, guys, because although market starts to show some rally, but it isn't supported by real money. That every time makes investors to be worried around this rally, and it's not really clear that this is definitely some kind of the bullish trend is forming. It's not clear yet. So let's see how situation will change till the end of the week, and see you tomorrow.